This tractor is a 1969 Farmall 856, and like I said earlier, I put a turbo on it. I put the spin on oil filters, spin on fuel filters, and the 66 series ISO couplers in the back. And the reason I did that was I want to use this tractor for doing hay, hauling wagons, tillage. I want it to be as easy to service, as easy to hook up to implements as I can. And originally with like the 06 series and the 56 series, there was much to be desired with updates, and then the 66 series came out and the 86 series, and they were more user-friendly. But a lot of updates, like when I did my 806, I put 856 updates on it, just like I did with my 856 shift. All that stuff, just all user-friendly, makes it easier for somebody to work in the field, and safer. So I'm only to the blasting point right now, and I've had to work for other people. I put a rear end International 1206 for another guy to trade for the turbo setup I put on this 856 and a few weights. But it's all the experience and everything you learn from it, and I like that the best. I mean, you're not just doing one tractor, you end up doing 3 or 4 along the way for other people, and I like doing that. And being able to take pieces from multiple different tractors and getting them all to fit like original, and getting it to look original is a lot of fun, and that's really rewarding. And to see how interested people are in my project as I'm working on it, it's awesome just to see how much people really invest in youth today, to see like how is our next generation coming up, and it really makes me happy when it makes people turn their head when they're looking at it. It's pretty cool.